Well, the market continues downward, not very fast, which is good. Remember the prayer of the option contract seller is please not too far, not too fast. So it's hanging in there pretty good. I got a good premium on the $7 put, which will certainly be exercised, 52 cents a share, and then I'll sell a call contract. And I may not be able to, I don't know what my replacement cost is going to end up being. I'm certainly seeing the market go downward steadily. My cost basis on this, on these shares, when exercised, will be $7. I see my base price is continuing to fall. But remember, that's good because at big premium, you might say, well, you're going to have more than that than capital losses. Well, capital losses are coming. That's the feature of the market. I'm going to stay in this game. I've got to accept the reduced valuation of the underlying stock, and I'm fine with that. Because for me, it's all about how many contracts can I sell and how much revenue can I produce. And I'm doing right well this time. The transaction set that was just closed was one of the poorest ones I've had in a long, long time. But this one, starting out good. And just some observations about the economy. Main Street, that is the businesses themselves, are beginning to accept the fact that a recession is coming, and you see this with big layoffs. And people who are laid off, or people who fear that they might be laid off, are certainly going to not be big spenders. So, of course, that's a downward spiral that we'll have to go through to get reduced prices. We got to reduce the demand. I can't do anything about the fact that we've got a very inequitable society. That's a shame. That's going to bite us in the rear end at some point. But at any rate, all I can do is live for what's going on right now and plan for what's going on now, and hope for the best. But if you're going to do that, taking in $1,100 and some odd dollars in a week is not a bad way to start. Okay, the link to my website will be in the description area. If you're not already familiar with the concept of the transaction set, there's documentation about that as well. And that is probably the most important thing about what I do. All right. Till later.